Apple unveiled iPhone 15 series with the high-end 15 Pro Max variant. Considering that it will be the flagship model of the series, it will have the latest and highest specifications. It is expected to have the latest processor, more RAM, a bigger battery, and a better camera system. Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max is circulating on the internet, and according to the latest leaked information, the device will feature thinner bezels than its predecessors. In addition to 8GB of RAM, the Apple iPhone's 15 Pro Max is expected to come with 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB of storage options. Furthermore, the new iPhone 15 Pro Max features a larger 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED capacitive touchscreen that is already well known for its stunning viewing experience. There will be support for a high resolution of 1290 by 2796 pixels. What are the disadvantages of the iPhone 15? The cost of the iPhone 15 range has dropped slightly in all four models compared to their equivalents from last year. Even so, the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts at $1,199. This is the cost of a device with 256GB of storage, and is likely prohibitive for many users. Is iPhone 15 Pro Max waterproof? Across the iPhone 15 and the iPhone 15 Pro series, all four models released by Apple in September of 2023 are certified with an IP68 rating. This matches previous iPhone releases and means that the phone can be submerged in fresh water for up to 30 minutes at a depth of 6 meters, or 20 feet. What comes with iPhone 15 Pro Max? Included in the box is a USB-C charge cable that supports fast charging and is compatible with USB-C power adapters and computer ports. We encourage you to use any compatible USB-C power adapter. If you need a new Apple Power adapter or headphones, they are available for purchase. Does iPhone 15 have problems? Apple confirms that a bug in some apps are causing iPhone 15 models to overheat. Apple is working on a software fix following reports that some of its new iPhone 15 models are overheating. Is the 15 Pro worth it? iPhone Pro 15. A new model naturally comes equipped with a new processor, the A17, a step up from the A16 in the previous generation. Memory has been upgraded from 6GB to 8, while storage options range from 128GB to 1TB. When it comes to performance, the iPhone 15 Pro shines. What is the battery capacity of iPhone 15 Pro Max? 4,422 mAh. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a 4,422 mAh, 17.109 Wh battery compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max's 4,323 mAh. The iPhone 15 Pro has a 3,274 mAh, 12.70 Wh battery compared to the iPhone 14 Pro's 3,200 mAh. Is iPhone 15 Pro Max overheating? New iPhone 15 Pro overheating reports, still too hot after. None of the reports have involved overheating during fast charging, so that issue does still appear to be fixed. However, people have reported problems with their iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max overheating when making phone calls, playing games, keeping their phone in their pocket, playing music, using the camera. Is iPhone 14 better than 15? Like the cameras, the performance of the iPhone 15 should also be a lot better than the iPhone 14. Apple includes its A16 Bionic processor in its latest phone, which gives you faster everyday performance, better graphics performance while gaming, and improved efficiency. How big is the iPhone 15 Pro Max? The 6.1-inch iPhone 15 Pro and 6.7-inch iPhone 15 Pro Max will last for many years to come and will remain part of Apple's flagship lineup for the next 12 months, so there's nothing better around the corner for much of the next year. Is iPhone 15 Pro Max dual SIM? Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is based on iOS 17 and packs 256GB, 512GB, 1TB of inbuilt storage. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, mobile that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. What colors are available for iPhone 15 Pro Max? The iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max come in 4 color options: natural titanium, black titanium, white titanium, and blue titanium. Does iPhone 15 come with charger? The iPhone 15 doesn't come with a charger or earbuds. Does iPhone 15 Pro Max have fast charging? To fast charge, you need an iPhone 15 model with a USB-C cable like the one that came in the box, or an earlier iPhone model with a USB-C to Lightning cable and one of these adapters: Apple 18 watts, 20 watts, 29 watts, 30 watts, 35 watts, 61 watts, 67 watts, 87 watts or 96 watts, or 140 watts USB-C power adapter.